Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the 12th question in exercise 10.2. A triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 4 cm such that the segments BD and DC into which BC is divided by the point of contact D are of lengths 8 cm and 6 cm respectively. Find the sides AB and AC. First, let's redraw this particular diagram for our reference. There's a triangle that's actually circumscribing a circle. So I've just placed the circle in this manner. So let's mark the corners. This is A, B, and C. The center of the circle is O. They've drawn a line from O to point D. CD is actually given as 6. BD is given as 8. And the radius OD is marked as 4. Okay, so we are supposed to find out what is AC and AE. So let's list what is given to us first. So given is going to be OD is equal to 4 centimeter, which is also the radius. CD is equal to 6 centimeters and BD is equal to 8 centimeter. Now we're going to do some construction. So let's also list that. Construction is join OA, OB and OC. So I'm going to use dotted lines to show that. So OC, OA and OB are joined through dotted lines. Now we need to find out what is AC and AE. Let's start to write the solution for this. So let's mark these points. If this is D, I'm marking this point as E and F. So if AF is X, then AE is also X. So I'm going to list that. Let AE is equal to AF is equal to X unit, tangent from external point. So we are marking it with the same thing. CD is given to be 6 centimeters and BD is equal to given as 8 centimeter. Now let's take triangle ABC. The area of triangle ABC is going to be equal to, because we don't know what is the height, we're going to use Heron's formula. So it is S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So first let's compute the S. S is nothing but sum of all the sides by 2. So for BC it is 6 plus 8, that is 14, plus for AB it is going to be X plus 8, because if BD is 8, BF is also 8. Similarly, AC is going to be X plus 6, because if CD is 6, CE is also 6. The whole thing divided by 2. So it is going to be 14 plus 14, 28. 28 plus 2x by 2, which is equal to 14 plus x. So this alone is the value of yes. Now let's compute. So this is going to be equal to 14 plus x into 14 plus x minus of A. In this case, let's keep it as BC. So it is minus 14. Then x plus 14 minus of x minus 8, because I'm going to use AB's distance, into 14 plus x minus 6, because I'm going to take AC as the third side now. So this is nothing but root of 14 plus x into, here I'm going to get this just as x, here it is going to be just 6 and here it is going to be 8. So this is equal to 48x into 14 plus x, the whole thing, which is going to be written in root. I'll mark this particular expression as 1. Now that whole triangle ABC can be broken into 3 triangles. So let's list all the 3 triangles for our reference. So the 3 triangles are going to be triangle AOB, triangle BOC and triangle AOC. Now, if for each of these triangles, let's compute the area. So AOB's triangle is going to be equal to half into base, which is AB, into height, which is going to be equal to OF. Because the radius is going to be 4, this will be replaced as half into x plus 8 into 4. So if I strike out these two, I will get 2 into x plus 8, which is 2x plus 16. Similarly, let's compute AOC. So AOC is going to be half into 4 into x plus 6. So this will be 2 times of x plus 6, which is 2x plus 12. Now the same way it is going to be BOC, which is going to be half into 4 into 14, because 8 plus 6 is 14. So if you simply strike it out, this is 28. Now let's add all of these areas, because it should be equal to the area of the triangle ABC we manually computed. So 28 plus 2x plus 16 plus 2x plus 12. So if you compute this, this is going to be equal to 4x plus 56. So we know that 4x plus 56 should be equal to the square of this. So let's equate both of them. So 4x plus 56 is equal to square root of 48x into 14 plus x. So if you square both sides, it is 4x plus 56 the whole square is equal to 48x into 14 plus x. So we're going to expand this side. This will become a square plus b square plus 2ab. So it is 16x square plus 3136, that's 56 square, plus 2 times of 4x into 56, which is going to be 448x. This will be equal to, I'm multiplying it term wise, so it is 48x square plus 672x. Reorganize everything in one part. So it will be 32x squared minus 224x minus 3136 is equal to 0. I'm going to divide all the expression by 32. So you'll get x squared minus 7x minus 98 is equal to 0. So when you split the middle term, you're going to get, this can be broken as 14 into 7 is 98. So you're going to get x minus 14 into x plus 7. So x will be equal to 14 or minus 7. X cannot be negative because we are referring to a side of the triangle. So we will simply discard the value of minus 7 and take up the value of x as 14. So if x is equal to 14, our question was to compute AB and AC. So AB will be 14 plus 8, which is equal to 22 centimeters, and AC will be 14 plus 6, which will be equal to 20 centimeters. In the next video, we will see how to solve the last question, that is the 13th question in this particular lesson. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.